Unraveling Idioms. The meaning of be put off by. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, be put off by. This idiom can be a bit perplexing, but fear not. We're here to clarify its meaning and usage. So, let's unravel this linguistic knot together and add another phrase to your fluency toolkit. Be put off by is an idiomatic expression that means to be discouraged, annoyed, or repelled by someone or something. It's a feeling you might get when something doesn't sit right with you, causing a change of heart or a loss of interest. While we won't delve into the deep history, it's helpful to know that being put off originally had the simple meaning of being deferred or postponed. Over time, it gained the emotional connotation of being dissuaded or deterred. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. I was put off by the loud construction noises outside my window. She was put off by the movie's unrealistic portrayal of history. In each case, the phrase explains why someone had a negative reaction to a situation. To expand your vocabulary further, here are some synonyms for be put off by. Deterred, disenchanted, repulsed, disheartened, dissuaded. And there you have it. Next time you feel discouraged or repelled by something, you can express it by saying you were put off by it. We hope this video has clarified this idiomatic expression for you. Keep practicing, and you'll be conversing like a native in no time. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.